Hi, my name is Jayden and I am a first grader at Success Academy. Today I'm going to be a class correspondent. We're at Apple Ridge Orchard for a field study. Let's go. We're on the highway to pick apples. Hold on, we're going up a hill. Look at all these apple trees. What is your favorite apple?
My favorite apple is yellow.
Red ones, green ones. We're going to see some live animals. A chicken. Why did the chicken go to Success Academy? To be prepared. Time for a staring contest. It's time to pick apples. Are you having fun today?
Absolutely.
Oh, small apple. How tiny. Did you know that there are more than 2,500 apples grown in USA? What are you gonna do with your apples?
Eat them. Thank you.
You're welcome. How about some apples? I'm here with Farmer Joe. Hi, Farmer Joe.
Hello, Jayden.
Farmer Joe, how long has this farm been open?
This farm is one of the oldest farms in Warwick. We've been here over 100 years.
How many apples do you have in this farm?
On this farm, we have thousands and thousands of trees with about 15 different varieties.
What did the apple tree say to the farmer?
I don't know. What?
Stop picking on me. Thank you, Farmer Joe.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming with the farm with me. Bye.